Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we have an interesting problem on comparison of powers. The question is, which is greater, 4 raised to power 60 or 5 raised to power 48? At first glance both numbers are huge and you might feel, but don't worry, the end of this video you will know a simple trick to compare such big powers without a calculator. Let's get started. We are asked to compare 4 raised to power 60 and 5 raised to power 48. Both numbers are very large, so you cannot calculate them directly. Instead, we use a power trick to make the comparison easy. The trick is, when we want to compare two powers, we take the same fractional power on both numbers. This works because one power is greater than the other power. So, first of all, we will make the factors of 60 and the factors of 48. Now the factors of 60 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, and the factors of 48 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now you can see the greatest common divisor GCD of 2 multiply 2 and 3. So this is the GSD, greatest common divisor, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, which is equal 12. Now, after finding greatest common divisor, we will take the power 1 by 12 on both sides of these numbers. So, we will solve this as, take 1 by 12 power on both numbers. So, 4 raised to power 60 power is 1 by 12. It's mean 4 raised to power 60 divided by 12. That means 4 raised to power 5. Similarly, 5 raised to power 48, you will take power 1 by 12. It's mean 5 raised to power 48 by 12. That is equal 5 raised to power 4. Now the problem becomes much simpler. Now we can easily find out which number is bigger, 4 raised to power 5 or 5 raised to power 4. 4 raised to power 5 means we will multiply 4 5 times. So we will get the answer, that is 1024. And 5 raised to power 4 means we will multiply 5 4 times. So that is also very easy. 5 multiply 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125, and 125 into 5 is 625. Now you can easily see that this number is greater and this is smaller. So we will write the final answer, that 4 raised to power 60 is greatest power. So solution of this is 4 raised to power 60 is greater. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.